Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So a couple of years ago, I made a video about investing $5 per day into the stock market. However, I never followed through and actually created a series about doing that. So here it is. So this is after week one. I put in $25 into my Robinhood portfolio and I invested in some stocks. So I'm going to be giving you guys weekly updates just so you guys could see what happens if you invest $5 a day. So at this point, I'm going to be investing $5 Monday through Friday, every day that the stock market is open. Even if there's federal holidays, I'll still be investing $25 per week. So I invested $25 last week, and at this point, I am seeing a 25% increase. And let me show you what happened. So this is what I'll be doing in each video. I'll just be showing you guys what I purchased every day, or maybe sometimes I'll just throw in like $25 a certain stock if I find a really good buying opportunity for that week, and it might just be a short video. But for this week, I did put some money into Shiba Inu coin. It is a cryptocurrency, and right now I have over 500,000 shares, and I put the rest of the money into Tesla stock. And I did this because it was at its 52 week lowest point when I bought in. So as you can see, it did increase like 10%. Let's see here. Nope. Okay. So yeah, it was at its lowest point, which I was able to buy in. And since then it has increased over 30%. So yeah, feeling pretty good about my overall return for this investment. But moving forward, I might be putting money into like the S&P 500, or if I hear about any other really good stock, I might just throw $5, $10 into that and investing as I go. And I might even throw some more money into Tesla stock depending on what the week looks like. Either way, I'm just looking forward to actively investing once again into the stock market and just showing you guys what I do. Obviously, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some random guy investing in the stock market on the internet, which there are a lot of those. But I think this is going to be a fun series, just showing you guys how I could grow a portfolio with relatively low amount of money. I mean, if you buy a coffee every day, that's just $5 every day. So why not just invest that money into the stock market rather than actually buying that coffee? So hope you guys continue to follow me along with this journey. I'm excited. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.